Hey guys, Moleculous HS here, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing an outdoor sound test of all three of these speakers. So it's a battle of the Sonys, the big XB41, the little XB01, and the mid-size XB22. So all of these speakers are playing an extra bass, and all of them have the lighting on, except for the XB1, obviously. And we're going to start off with the XB41. As you can see, my amazing list of Bluetooth devices. Okay, so let's start off with this one. Gaston's inside. We're going to be playing these speakers at maximum volume. So let's go. We've got max volume on the XB41. It's all the way back here. It's quite windy right now. Alright, now we have the XB22 playing. I think it's quite loud for its size. I'm using an Apple device. An Android device would get a little louder, I think. Now the little guy Sony is playing at max volume. Barely anything there. Okay, so now we've got a different song. This is the XB41 playing. Max volume. It's way louder than the other ones. Okay guys, so we're just waiting for the Music Center app to download. While we do that, I reckon we should do a mud test on this speaker. What do you think? Yes, let's go. Yo, look at this. It's sitting in the mud. Let's just put that there. Let's angle it downwards. Alright. Sorry, my throat's just being annoying. Alright. Look at this. Look at this right now. Look at this. It's getting fully submerged in mud. Put it that way as well. Like stand it up. You know, just a fun thing while we wait to wait for the Music Center app to download. And just leave that there. And then we take everything over to here. And then we just and I'll fill this up, I'll top it back up, so it's way cleaner than this. There you go. Now I'll just top this back up. I'll let Gaston lick it as well, because you might find it. A notification. This always happens when I'm recording. Here we go. Should have downloaded by now. Okay. Gosh, this is a whole lot different on an Apple device. It's much smaller, but I'm grouping the speakers instead of wireless party chain. It's the same thing, because I clicked on it. Wireless party chain. There we go. SRS Sonos XB22 wireless party chain. That's how it's going to look on your Apple device. Well, your big iPad on your phone should be like this size, like the full size. But yeah, let's get to testing these two. Big, small, and this little guy doesn't have WPC, so you can't wireless party chain with the bigger and smaller speakers, but that's okay, because you're not really going to do that because it's such a small speaker, but hopefully this will get louder. So yeah, let's do it. Whoa, okay, so that's Sony. Jeez, just as soon as I want it like that, water's started gushing out. So we're just gonna leave it like that. Probably tip over. But you know, see all that water. That's what we don't want. Did I mention that the little guy Sony is IPX5, so we can spray it, but we can't submerge it, and it's not dust rated either. So let's disconnect the group. That's pretty cool. So it does work. Works just fine. Two speakers can connect just fine. And then when you're done, edit group, ungroup all these speakers. And then you heard it for yourself. It didn't even have to go behind the flap. Okay, so I like all of these speakers. Is this little guy on? No? Okay, so we'll just leave him off. I really like the XB41, and the XB22 gets loud, but just this little guy just doesn't get loud enough. Of course, because it's such just a little speaker. But this guy, man, it packs a punch. Alright, so the XB41 is currently connected. I just want to try out one more song.